Hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. I am Chanel. Thank you so much for coming by. If you're new here, please go ahead and consider subscribing. Make sure you like this video and let's keep going. Okay, so y'all saw the thumbnail, okay? You guys, I made these last week and I'm just now getting to making the bigger one, but I wanted to re-show you guys what they look like. So these are my new tote bags that will be launching on my shop like soon, like probably by the time I'm done, they're probably already, what am I talking about? By the time this video is live, they're already on my shop and ready to go, okay? I have the baby tote, okay? All right, so we got cow print and pink canvas. This is the inside. I know inside has the pink, but because the canvas is so thick, I will not be doing that from here on out. So if you guys would like to nab one of these, make sure you check out the website. The link, like I said, the link will be in the description box. And here is my regular sized tote. This is the mama tote. So if you want, Mother's Day is around the corner. So if you want to do mama and me tote bags, you can. I got the baby tote, I got the mama tote, and today we are making the grandmama tote, or what I'm calling it, the overnight tote. But on my site, it'll be called the grandmama tote, okay? So, I have already pre-cut my fabrics out. So I have part of the outside fabrics already cut. I have my pockets already cut. I have my lining already cut. I have my straps already cut. All I'm ready to do is to sit right here and to sew it all together. And I just wanted you guys, to go with me while I'm sewing this and putting it together. Like I said, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, once again, I am Chanel. Please go ahead and consider subscribing, and let's go ahead and make this tote. All right, you guys, I am ready to sew. I am ready to go. I'm just going to change my length on my sewing machine to 3.5. I'm starting off with a 1/2 inch seam allowance, and then eventually I'm going to go to 1/4, but that's for different areas of this bag. I do have a 1/2 bobbin in my sewing machine, and I do have 2 more bobbins in here. I'm using a beige thread. Okay, before I was interrupted, you guys, this is real life. I have a dog. He likes to make noise. We're gonna attempt to try this whole Jessica thing with him. Okay, anyways, I have my beige thread back here. It's a pretty big amount. And we're just gonna put this together. Like I have my straps right here ready to go. I only have one part, the white fabric on it. I have my pockets over here. I have my key loop. I have my front pocket. I have my inside pocket. I have my lining. You can put all those right back, right there. I have my iron here if I need it. I have the bottom front panel of the tote bag, and I have the top panel of the front of the tote bag. So I have everything here I need to sew and put together. I haven't ever exactly timed myself, and looking at the time, it is 10:02 in the morning. So let's see how long it takes me to sew everything together, not cut, because I already know how long it takes me to cut, but we're gonna go ahead and sew it together. So the thread is basically the same beige color as the straps I have here. And as you can see, I'm using my little clips on this, but on the actual tote bag itself, I'm using pins because I want to make sure nothing moves. So I take in a 10-minute break, you guys. But I have the straps. The straps are all done on both sides. Here's one strap, and here's the second one. I also did my little key loop here. That's done. So I'm just gonna move these off to the side. So next I'm gonna go ahead and sew down my label. I already have it pinned with thumb pins. And then we're gonna go ahead and use the inner fabric here to finish off the pocket. All right, so I went ahead and I have my label on the front pocket. I'm gonna go ahead and put the inside lining of the front pocket right here on top, just like that. And then I'm gonna sew down this part right here. And now I'm just, this part you can totally iron if you want. I'm just going to fold it and finger press it so I can top stitch this portion of the pocket. So I went ahead and I finished the top stitch of the outside pocket here. Here's the lining for the inside of it. Yo! Here is the inside pocket. I did top stitch the very top, turned it inside out. I still have this opening down here, but this will be the pocket on the inside of the bag, and it will be sewn down the middle. So yeah, like 2 little compartments. So the pockets are done. So I kind of forgot I was filming, you guys. So I already put the inner lining together. I have the outer lining, or the outer bag, already put together. I already have the keychain loop on here. I have the pocket on here. I have the straps on the inside of the bag already done. And I'm flipping it out. Well, I'm flipping the inner lining to right side out. And just making sure that all my seams lined up nicely. And then my pocket is going to go away from the front pocket. So my front pocket to the bag is right down here. So I want this pocket, my inner pocket, facing this wall. So I am just going to, I hope you guys can see this part. I'm putting the straps inside. Oh, and there's nothing in here, and the bag is sitting up on its own, pretty much. Now I'm putting the bag inside, well, the lining inside the bag. And then I'm gonna line up the seams because I'm going to sew this together here. I'm gonna take my time here, line up everything. Make sure I back stitch a few times. Making sure all my straps are out the way. So my bag is inside out, you guys. Now, the next thing I'm gonna do is fold down these edges as much as I can and put a top stitch on top of this bag. And of course, go back and cut all the loose threads. All right, you guys, we are officially done with the tote. But before I show you the finished product, I want to go ahead and show you my very first tote bag I made like 8 years ago. There's a lot of imperfections in here, but I'm not going to show you that. This is my very first tote bag. Like I said, I made this like 8 years ago. This is what it looks like. Okay, it has the black at the bottom and it has the cotton on the top. I think this was vinyl, you guys. I think this was vinyl. The handles are vinyl on top, and then underneath is like the backpack strap. There is a zipper in the back. This is my very first attempt of a zipper. I do have a pocket back here, but it's a zipper pocket. Now, to keep this particular tote bag closed, because I actually was using this as a diaper bag, you guys. Dang, maybe I made this like more than 10 years ago. I mean, yeah, more than 8 years. So it had to be 8 to 10 years ago I made this bag. Inside, I did Velcro on the inside. And there is a pocket opposite of the zipper on the inside. And it's just two big pouches here, okay? But the inside is all black. So that's how I made this tote bag. But the tote bags that are gonna be up on my website was inspired by this tote bag here I got from work. Yeah, there's other stuff in here, you guys, but I was inspired by this tote bag and I was like, let me see if I can recreate one myself. And now for the big reveal, my overnight tote, my Grammy tote. Because, you know, all the kids want to go to Grammy's house, okay, right? So here we go. This is my big overnight tote bag, okay? I don't know if I'm going to call it the Grammy tote or the grandma tote. I'm not sure yet, but here is the overnight tote. Here is my regular size mama tote right on top, okay? You guys can clearly see the size difference here, okay? You can see the size difference, okay? And then we have the baby tote or the mini tote bag, which we'll put right there. So you guys, yes, I have all 3 tote bags available. They will be available on my shop. If you're interested, I'll leave the link down below in the description box. There won't be that many of these. So if you want one or 2 or a couple, Mother's Day is around the corner. You might want a mama and me bag or a me and mama bag. It's totally up to you guys. Like I said, what's all up on the site is what I'm going to have. I know you guys probably see that big roll. That's the fabric back there. I'm not sure how many I'm going to make, but there will be a set number on the website. So if they run out, I might make some more and I might not. So snag it while you want it, okay? Thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.